Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can avoid our emails are going to spam or junk folder using our Mailchimp account. So for that, open up your Mailchimp account, and after that you need to avoid certain words like discount, offer, marketing, sales in your personalized or default email address of your Mailchimp. And to change that email address, all you have to do is just go to your audience section, and there you will find this option of all contacts. Just click on it. After that, click on settings and then click on the first option, which is audience name and defaults. After that, scroll down and then you will find this option of default email address. Just type in a more personalized email which doesn't consist the words like offer, discount, marketing, sales, and this checks the mark of not getting your email sent to the spam folder. And the second tip is you need to verify your domain, and let's see how we can do that. So on the website section, you will be able to find this option of domains. Just click on it. After that, just click on add and verify domain, and you will be able to customize your domain. And after that, all your emails will tick the mark of not going to the spam folder, and the Gmail will not recognize them as a spam because you have done the verifications which distinguishes your emails from the marketing and offers from a bunch of different companies. So make sure that you add and verify your domain from this setting. And the third tip that I would want to give is that add an unsubscribe link on your emails, and this saves you from getting into a really big trouble, as whenever someone puts your email into a spam, that reduces your ratings. This not only restrains your emails getting into the Gmail of new subscribers, but it also stops getting into your already subscribed users. So make sure that you always provide an unsubscribe link in your email, so rather than getting your emails into a spam folder, your user just simply unsubscribe it, and that gives you a better chance at discovery by new users and your old users as well. I hope these tips were helpful, and make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.